Take 2 styrofoam blocks and glue them together. Take that wire hanger and bend it. Take 2 pipe cleaners and twist the ends together, wrapping the pipe cleaners up and around the hook. Start to stick the faux stems into the top and sides. Now take some faux flowers and stick them into the center face and hang your new flower arrangement.
We're going to start with this container, and we're going to simply just cut our brick in half. Now we can take our bricks of floral foam and wedge them inside. Up next we have some of these ferns, and simply wedge them right in the middle, fluffing them out, adjusting them. I'm just going to take our stems and work them into the foam. Now we have this really pretty eucalyptus. We'll just poke them right in. And here is how our arrangement turned out. I absolutely love it.
Clean the glass thoroughly. I'm going to just tape off the top of this glass, and then I'm going to just cover most of this with a thin layer of the clear resin, and just make sure you don't really miss any spots. I'm going to go ahead and place some flowers, and that's all of my flowers there. I'm going to just take a toothpick and just carefully make sure they are pressed down, and that'll just seal these flowers in fully. All right, here's our wine glass all complete.
I've gone ahead and collected a whole bunch of these fun pom-poms and put a little dab of glue in there. At the end of the wire, right into the middle of the pom-pom. Got a bunch made here. And then I'm gonna start bringing my sunflowers right around the tree. It's time to add those super fun pom-poms that we made at the beginning. Is make a little bow for the top. You wrap it around the top of the tree like this. It's a great way to use your tree at a different time of year.
I've pre-soaked 1 brick of fresh floral foam. We're going to just take that and wedge it in. Now begins the fun part, and that is going to be carving your foam into kind of a conical or triangular shape. Right here we have some mini carnations, so I'm just going to snip off the top and start placing them. So the biggest ones are sticking out the furthest, and then as we kind of approach the top, we are gradually getting smaller so that we kind of create that conical topiary shape. So to create the very peak of our topiary, we're going to take a carnation, place it sticking straight out, and then we can begin filling in. So I placed a few more pieces to fill in any of the holes where you still see the foam. You created the perfect centerpiece or arrangement for virtually anywhere you would like. And you can absolutely customize it to create whatever shape you're looking for.
Today I have been foraging in my garden. I'm just going to attach them lightly into place with this sticky tape. Just keep going all the way around. Cut off these extra bits on the bottom. Pull it quite tight. Put some glue stick on the glass and secure it in place. Rolling it all the way around. I'm just going to smear some of the glue here. Push the paper over. Put glue on the rim. Cut some of these top bits off. And just see how pretty these are.
I grabbed 2 hanging baskets and liners from Dollar Tree for this epic garden project. I unclipped the chains off of one of the baskets and placed the liners in each basket. Next, I used sharp scissors to cut a slit in the middle of each section and in the center hole at the bottom. Then I grabbed some petunias from my local garden center and carefully placed them into each hole. Planting from the outside worked best for me. I set it aside and repeated the same steps for the second basket. Next, I filled the center of each basket with potting soil and watered it. I gently placed one basket on top of the other and secured them together using 4 black zip ties. At that point, I decided to add in a few more flowers on the edge where the baskets meet. Can you believe this is what mine looked like after 3 weeks?
Take a sealable plastic container and fill the bottom with clay unscented cat litter. Add salt to the top. Pour more cat litter onto the top. Mix the salt and cat litter together. Cut the stems on all of your flowers. Place the flowers into the litter, add salt to the top, put the lid on, and let it sit for about 5 days. Brush the salt off of your flowers. Mix up some resin. Slowly pour your resin into the mold. Place your flowers slowly into the poured resin. Pour your next layer of resin slowly on top of this. Remove it from the mold. Keepsakes to put more flower vases onto and use it as a centerpiece.